not to send me the top URL because you would lose it. I'm gonna send you the one that I received from you in the late form.
Miss Bass?
Yes?
Whenever you're done helping him, can you help me with the voci thing?
With the what?
The voci thing.
Okay. That's what I received, Tyler. Alright, what do you need help with, Payten?
Give me a second to go to the thing.
Okay. So, Tyler, you need to send me the link that you see in the like you copied where it says copy URL. You copy right there when you save it. Do you still have it?
No.
No. Yeah, it doesn't save in the site because we don't have it. We don't pay for it, and we won't pay for it. So we cannot save it there. So that's why you need to copy the URL and send me that link.
It also says that I'm missing the Hispanics name thing, but I did that with you and turned it in. And
I thought I had fixed that. Hold on.
No, and I even filled out a late work form.
Yeah, I thought that I had already fixed that. Hold on.
Because of missing on Canvas.
Oh yeah, no, I fixed it on PowerSchool.
Oh, okay.
In Canvas, I don't grade late work on Canvas. That's why I took your late form, and I put the grade, but the grade is already on PowerSchool. That's what you need to look at, PowerSchool.
Okay. I don't get the assignment, like the one for the voci. I don't get that whole assignment, other than the numbers quiz.
You did your number quiz?
Yeah.
Did you send the link with the score?
It didn't tell me a score. It was it's the voci, it's the numbers quiz with the voci thing.
Okay. The numbers quiz is one that you have to do in a Google form.
I did that.
And then at the end, it tells you view score. Like you finish, when you submit, it says view score. When you click on view score, I need you to send me that link so I can see
the link with the answers.
Pardon?
So, like, do I just copy and paste the URL from the search bar?
For the score, yes. And then you send me that one so I can see your you know what? Hold on. Just hold on right there. Let's make it easier for you.
It says I got them all right. 150 out of 150.
Let me just check. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to check right here. Let's make it easier on you since you are here. And this is not.
Are you looking at my score right now?
I'm trying. Get my code. Okay. Yeah, it's just here that you did it yesterday. All right, got that.
And I don't get, like, the rest of the assignment for that, for the voci.
the Voki, did you watch the video?
Yeah, I just didn't understand it.
I'm gonna play the video and you tell me to stop where you don't understand and I explain you, okay?
Okay.
Let's watch it together. If I find it.
Like, I don't understand the entire video. Like, I don't understand any of the video. When you start explaining the, like, how to do the voci thing, I don't understand any of it.
Okay. We're gonna watch it together and then you tell me where to stop. And when you get to this page, you're gonna click on create. Alright. You wanna get to that page? Well, and I pause it right there. You got to the page?
I'm trying to get to it right now.
Alright.
Now there isn't even a link to it. On the page, there's not even a link to it anymore.
Hello, and welcome to Voki. Voki characters like me make
There's
learning
the link.
fun.
I got it now.
Okay. Alright, so we're there. Let's continue. And in create, you're gonna have the option to pick your character. Took long enough for it to load, but okay, I'll pause it. Okay, so now you're going to create your character, but I'm gonna let you pick the one that you want and all that. So I'm just gonna continue, and then if you want, we'll go back, okay?
Okay.
Because creating your character may take a little while. The video, so you have to wait, like I did. Well, these are the characters. Things that you need to have in mind is the character cannot have this. Oh, where'd it go? There was a star here. And there it is. If it has a star, that means that you have to pay for it, and we are not paying for this. We get the free stuff. It's free. And so that means that you need to pick a new character. Something that doesn't have the star. You can, alright, so you get that part. You,
when I create my character, when I click save, it just says please choose an audio.
Yeah, you have to put an audio, of course.
How do I put an audio?
That's what is in the video. Let me continue. Okay, so did you get that part about no getting one with the star?
Yeah.
Okay, we cannot get the one with the star. Pick the character right here. It gives you different options of what characters to use. If you can pick somebody like this ones. So we're still in that we're picking something that does not have a star. Oh no, I thought that means like it was Greek. Our character, but everything. So let's say add star. But I am going to try to find something more. Oh, you know what? There's one that's just all the characters. Well, maybe you want to go not just by group, but just like everything. So let's say I pick this character. Okay, so you can go to this one and you can see all the characters and it's going to show they're free, the ones that don't have the star, and you just pick the one that you want. Now I pick that character. So once I have my character, I can go and choose some accessories and I can play a little bit with it. I know you would like to play with it. So I have clothes, different clothes that I can use for this person. Yeah, I don't want. So anyway, you can personalize your character. You can make it the way you like it. So let's skip that part. Something that is bikes, your highway, bridge at night. Those are the backgrounds that you can put behind your character. So we're gonna pick one. Let's do this. A building. So a building is gonna be my background. I can play with the color. In this case, it doesn't give me a chance to change by the lips. That's the only thing I can change. But in other characters, you can change the color of the eyes, the colors of the skin, the color of the hair, and the makeup. But in this one, it doesn't give me the option. It depends on the character. I can also put some script. Previously, I forgot. This is how you give the voice to the character. Let me see. Yeah. Alright, once you have that, you have your character. Previously, I forgot to mention this wrong one. The right one. Previously, you have made a little script to introduce yourself. So you use the greeting, your name, your age, where you're from, and a goodbye expression. That means that you're gonna say something like, Hola, me llamo Payten, tengo 11 años, soy de Carolina del Norte, adiós. Something like that. So you just create your little script using the vocabulary one, and there's the link for vocabulary one. So you use those expressions, the structures, and then you complete with your information. So that's what you're gonna put to give the Voki a voice. And then you're gonna use this vocabulary that I put here that has different expressions and different words that you can use for this. So you're gonna say a greeting. You type that. If you're connected, you can tell me and ask me questions if you want. So you want to have it perfect. And then you can type it here. So you click on this one, and here's what you're gonna do. So it says the first thing you're gonna do is a greeting. So I'm gonna say buenos días. Buenos días. And then I put a period. So hold on, I need to answer a question here. Yes. After I say buenos días, I am going to say establish my name. So, and then you say words, but you have different ways to say goodbye that you learn from someone. Okay, so you put all that here, and the Voki is gonna say it. That's how it sounds.
Llamo Ana. Tengo 12 años. Soy de Carolina del Norte. Los demos.
Did you notice something? Seems like he's somebody who's speaking with an English accent. So that's not what we want. Oh, wait a second, look at that. We didn't change the language. So that's something that you cannot forget. You have to change the language. So we go here and we click on Spanish. So you put the text in the box and then you change this to Spanish. And then you're gonna change this to a voice that matches your character. Let's see how it happens now.
Buenos días. Me llamo Ana. Tengo 12 años. Soy de Carolina del Norte. Nos vemos.
So now, good Spanish, but wrong voice. Yeah, that's the wrong voice because it says Carlos. We probably need to look for a girl. So we're gonna go for a girl that is from Mexico or from this side of the world. We're not gonna look for people from Spain because they pronounce things different and we get all confused. So let's say Esperanza. Let's hear Esperanza.
Buenos días. Me llamo Ana. Tengo 12 años. Soy de Carolina del Norte. Nos vemos.